Hello together. In this video I want to show you 3 different ways how to make screenshots on your Xiaomi 12 Pro and how to edit them. The first one is to press buttons. We can see here at the side, here's the power button and the volume down button. And if I press those 2 buttons at the same time, then it will make a screenshot. And you can see I can click on it and I can directly edit the screenshot. So I can crop it a little bit and I can just write something on it, and I can do a lot of different things, whatever I want to do. So it's really cool how to make a screenshot here on the Xiaomi 12 Pro. So I will just say it, okay, allow, and now I can save it. Alright, so the second option how to make a screenshot on the Xiaomi 12 Pro is to access the quick menu. Here you can just scroll down from the top right a little bit down, so I'll do it again. And here you can see there is a button for screenshot. So I just click on it and then it will make a screenshot, and then we have the same option like here. You can see that the screenshot disappears after some seconds, but this isn't a problem because it will be here in your gallery. So you can find all of your screenshots which you have done in your gallery. So that's the second option. The first one, pressing buttons. The second one is the quick menu, and this third one is a gesture. You can use 3 fingers and just swipe down with these 3 fingers, and then you can see it will also make a screenshot. And of course, all of these things work with every single app. So I can do a screenshot in every app I want to do, and then I can just change to my gallery, and here I can see my screenshots. And if I choose this one, then I can of course edit it here, and then I can crop it again and access filters and other things. So I can do a lot of things here. Pretty cool here how to make screenshots on your Xiaomi 12 Pro 3 different ways. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.